This is how I lost $362 today on my XFA. So coming into the day, I was already bearish. If we look at the 4 hour on NQ, came up this 4 hour order block, and we were No, wait. Monday. Okay, yeah, we were already pretty low. We already came past this low when market opened. So my drawn liquidity was this low. As you can see, we reached that. Um, I wanted to see a move higher, really, maybe to this high and tap to this 15-minute for value gap, and that happened. But then we had this big candle, so there was no inverse that I could have entered off of. So the best trade probably would have been this. But the only thing is there wasn't really anything to target, just because there was this giant wick from this respecting this 4 hour gap. So I didn't take it, and it didn't really deliver off of anything. So I didn't take it. But once we were this low, I really wanted to see a retrace. And I entered on a retrace on my eval, because that's not my main model, so I won't take that on my live account. But I ended up making 1,200 from that. Then, since we were so low and we had this big candle through this 30-second after we tapped into a 5-minute for value gap, I entered off this 30-second, and I will close the trade once there's a close above the inverse. So for that invalidated for me. It came up, swept the high, tapped the 5-minute again, and went straight to my target. So would I take this trade again? No, I would not. Just because I've been back testing a lot on FX replay, and whenever I take A plus setups, which is not taking shorts when we're already in discount, like, this is too low. An A plus setup is not this low. So if I was on FX replay and there was no real risk and I wasn't just trying to make money, I would never have taken this. So I need to wait for my A plus setup. I need to take shorts when we're higher up, when we're going up and we're sweeping something like this, and we got to get a good inverse. That's my short, and then I can hold a runner maybe all the way down there. But we're up on the eval. We're getting close to the I have 520 something dollars of drawdown left. So dang, I gotta lock in. It's been a long journey. I know my first payout's coming. I've got to start taking these A plus setups every day. A plus setups only. Because right now I haven't taken a good trade on this account yet. But it's my first time being funded on Top Step. So if you want to join me for my journey, make sure you follow. Make sure you like the video. Trying to get to 1,000 subs this year. So lock in with me, and I'm gonna show y'all that I can get my first payout real soon. So thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.